I'm just like so now with my dog.
It's your schooner. Call me Queasy. Like and subscribe. Gonna breakfast with me. It's your schooner. Call me Queasy. Like and subscribe. Gonna breakfast with me. Hello my beautiful kings and queens, it's your girl Queasy and I'm back with another episode. Obviously, as you can see by the title, this is another sneaker review. So before we even get into that, I need you to hit that like button, hit that comment button, and hit that subscribe. Whoa, you're not subscribed yet? Alright, what are you doing? No, seriously, what are you doing? I'm gonna give you about 10 seconds to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because it's Sierra Spooner should have subscribed sooner. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you 10 seconds. Okay, you got 10 seconds. And now that you are subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you can get more notifications of my every time I post a new episode. And now, without further ado, let's just get right into the sneakers. Okay, so first things first, we have that nice sophisticated black box that Nike does with the shiny Nike logo on the front, and then right here we have the size as usual. Can y'all see? A 3.5 in men's, a 5 in women's. Yes, I have really small feet. Okay, we don't have no type of special paper. We just got the regular Nike paper. Open it up. Okay. The color actually is kind of better in person. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Like in pictures, I was like kind of iffy, but in person, it's actually not that bad. Like, this is the right side, and then we have the left side. So let's just talk about the design of the sneaker. We have the regular dunk silhouette. We have the black bottoms, and then for the colorway we have purple and black. The purple is actually called wine. Fancy, I know. Okay, it is leather all on the sneaker. We have a nylon tongue with purple Nike logo. Again, I will put another clip so you guys can see a little bit better. And then on the outer side of the sneaker, we actually have the Fragment logo, which I thought is a great idea to put in white because it's very noticeable and it actually looks really dope on the sneaker. And then we also have on the outer side the description of the sneaker. It reads DJ 0382 SU21, which is summer 21, MNS which I believe is men's basketball. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Men's basketball 376 Nike Dunk High F. I'm guessing for Fragment, and then Fragment design. So that's really cool that they added that there. But let's talk about the stitching. So from what I'm looking at, the stitching is actually really good on this sneaker. I don't see any imperfections or any fraying happening. So we do have black stitching going all around the sneaker, but on the back we have a lighter purple than the purple that's on the sneaker. And if you look really close on the swoosh, we have a little bit of that purple stitching as well. On the inside we have the regular fuzzy sole, and we have the Fragment logo, which I thought was in white, but it's actually in purple. I will insert another clip so you guys can see. And then with the sneakers come the tissue paper. These retail for $150. I believe the reselling price is actually not that high. So if you go on the GOAT app, I got a size 3.5. So the price of them is going for $200 plus. So like I said, the reselling price is actually not that high at all, even for sizes 4 all the way to 7.5, it's going for 180, 190. The highest price I see is 262, and that's for a size 12.5. So reselling price, it's not going that high. Now that was just GOAT. Let's go on StockX. I think StockX is a little more expensive than GOAT. Yeah, even on StockX, the price is not that high. I don't see 3.5 on StockX, but I do see a size 4, and it's only going for 178. And after tax, these sneakers come up to, I believe, like 168, like 160 something. And reselling price is not that high, which I'm surprised about because these are a Fragment collaboration. Like, it's not like a regular collab, it's a Fragment. So I'm not sure why the prices are so low. It might be because of the colors. A lot of people were very iffy about the colorway, which I am as well. However, in person, the sneakers are 100% better than the pictures online. The pictures online does not do justice for the in-person review, like, honestly. Now let us try this on foot. Okay, so the sneakers do fit true to size. However, I got a 3.5, and I feel like my feet got a little bit bigger because for some reason every time I get sneakers now, I lean towards a 4 instead of 3.5. So I got a 3.5. It fits like perfectly. I do think that they will stretch over time because of the quality of the leather. So I do think it's gonna stretch over time, most definitely. However, it is true to size, so I would suggest sticking to your size. If you want a little bit more room, go a half size up, but again, I would suggest sticking to your size because I think I just need to start getting 4s instead of 3.5s because my foot may got like a little bit bigger, or it could be due to the fact that I am wearing thick socks. So my overall opinion of these sneakers, I do like them. Is it worth $150? I would say yes, because it's not just a regular Nike Dunk, it's a collaboration with Fragment, and I know Fragment doesn't do a lot of collaborations with Nike, so it's very limited. So yes, I do believe it is worth the $150 retail price. Is it worth the reselling price? Yes, because reselling price is not that high. I do think it should be higher, especially because of the collaboration and because it is actually a remake of the colorway that first came out. I'm not sure exactly what year. I will put it on the screen. And because of that, I feel like the reselling price should be way higher than it is now. Comment down below what you guys think of the sneaker. Comment down if you guys think I should hose it, if I should sell it, or if I should keep it. Literally comment down anything and everything. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Why? Because it's the ever sooner. Should subscribe sooner, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you get more notifications of every time I post an episode. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.